Hi, today we'll be working on question number 2 on LeetCode. It's called add two numbers. We're given two non-empty linked lists. We want to add them up in reverse order. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 4 plus 6 is 10. We carry the 1 over, so 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8. So we should return a linked list of 7, 0, 8. Okay, so for this, I'm going to be declaring a new list. So let's just make the head of this new list called new node. Let's also create a reference to the head to traverse the list. When we're traversing the list, we'll do an OR operator, and we'll call the two values that we're working on A and B. So we'll call A equals L1 and L1 about. Now the reason why I did it this way is because if L1 runs out of values, then I basically want to keep adding 0 to whatever value comes in L2. So this will make sure that if L1 doesn't have a value, it just returns 0. I'll also call B the same thing. And so when we're summing these up, we'll say sum equals A plus B. But as I mentioned before, there is the case of having a carry. So we'll say like carry equals 0 initially, and we'll be adding that on to here. We'll also be updating the carry every iteration. So carry equals math floor sum divided by 10. This way, if the sum goes over 10, then we'll make sure to add a 1 for the next iteration. Finally, we'll say that the temp.next equals a new list node of sum %10. In this case, we're going to mod sum every single time. So for example, if I had 8 plus 9, that would be 17. So we only want the 7, so 17 mod 10 is going to return us 7. Finally, we just need to iterate over the 3 lists. So if L1 equals L1 to the next, if L2 equals L2 to the next, and temp equals temp.next. Finally, at the end, if we still have a carry at the end, for example, if this was 6 and 4, we want to return a 1 at the end of our new list. So we can say if the carry is still greater than 0 by the end of everything, we'll just add it at the end of our new list. Finally, we'll return the reference to the head of our new list. And that's it. So let's try running it. Works just fine. Submitting it works just fine. Okay, so let's take a look at the runtime about this. We're traversing both lists. So if we call L1's length something like A, and L2's length something like B, this is just O of A plus B, where A is the length of L1 and B is the length of L2. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I'll include a link to this question down below, and see you guys next time.